I bring you updates, my good people. I bring you updates concerning the detained leader of the indigenous people of Biafra, Nnamdi Kanu. And I still bring you updates concerning the new development of the Central Bank of Nigeria, CBN. And I come to yarn you on how this new development by the CBN could affect country people. So without wasting much of your time, my good people, I want to dive into the matter, make I give on the full details of the informate. But before then, sharply make I welcome you back to Anointed Lady TV. No, see now we dey give legitimate information concerning the things and things wey dey happen for inside our nation Nigeria. So if you would like to receive legit news, you are free to subscribe to this channel and don't forget to put on the notification bell so that as we dey bring the news they come, now you go first receive the updates and you go get them sharp. So back to the cocoa of the hour, my good people. The tori be say the minority caucus of the House of Representatives don't finally take action. And you see this minority caucus where they yarn you about now 180 lawmakers now they inside. On Tuesday now, they don't join body can they call for the release of the leader of the indigenous people of Biafra, will be Nnamdi Kanu. Man we don't dey for inside custody since the year 2021, and the federal government they prosecute him on treason charges based on say in the advocates in the push for the breakaway of the Igbo from the country Nigeria. That is to say, just like when the children of Israel come up body from Egypt, can't go their own side will be the promised land. He wants to make Igbo people come up body from the country Nigeria, go form their own country where they will come call Biafra. Now you see this meeting, it happened for inside Abuja on Tuesday. Over 180 lawmakers they answer present on top of the matter, and these lawmakers now they come from different political platform, different political parties. Now they don't follow the call for the release of Nnamdi Kanu, who will be the leader of the indigenous people of Biafra. And you see this new development, so they follow the adoption of a motion where they move for inside the special meeting of the caucus on Monday night. And the person who move the motion so now Obi Agiocha, in they represent Ikwonu Umuahia North, Umuahia South Federal Constituency of Abia State. Therefore, inside one statement on Tuesday, in the yarn they give a colleague, so make them take definite position, make them join body to explore and to torchlight any possible political solutions to the continued detention of the IPOB leader. And you see, Oga Obi Agiocha, he talk plenty about the importance of a united front, the importance of coming together to achieve one goal within the minority caucus. And he called the yarn to say the resolution on Nnamdi Kanu case is very much crucial for national peace, stability and unity. That is, the release of Nnamdi Kanu is very much important because say now it go bring peace and stability, and now it go bring unity. Now in release, now go make Jaguda people where they terrorize Igbo land come calm down, because that time they go know say Nnamdi Kanu don't come back, and he no dey like violence. He no go like make it dey around Jaguda people come dey do their Jaguda business for a land that kind level. It no go make sense and it no go work at all. No be small matter, my correct people. You see this minority caucus of the House of Representatives. Now the lawmakers where they involve, they come from different platforms, different political party. The People's Democratic Party will be PDP. Now 115 seats come from the party. The Labour Party now 35. The New Nigeria People's Party will be NNPP now 19 they inside. And the All Progressive Grand Alliance will be ABGA, they get 5 seats. Then the Social Democratic Party they get 2 seats. The Young Progressive Party and the African Democratic Congress, both of them get 2 seats each. And this one now no be news again. This no be the first time we see senior men they come aside to talk about the release of Nnamdi Kanu. This meeting now will happen on Tuesday by the House of Representatives. So it will come almost exactly 2 weeks after senators from the southeast led by Senator Naya Abaribe then go meet the Attorney General of the Federation and Minister of Justice, will be Lateef Fagbemi's, and all of them now they call for the withdrawal of the case against Nnamdi Kanu. All of them they yarn say make the federal government drop the case. And even before the senators then go meet the Attorney General of the Federation, will be Lateef Fagbemi, The Southeast Governors Forum don already meet with our Presido wey be Bola Ahmed Tinubu to ask for the release of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, and dem dey yarn dey give our Presido say when dem release Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, the insecurity wey dey for inside Southeast go just end once, because Mazi Nnamdi Kanu na senior man, him be like beacon of peace. Na as dem remove Mazi Nnamdi Kanu from the Southeast, na kasala begin burst. But if dem place the man back, if dem remove the man from the detention, if dem drop the charges against Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, peace go return back to the Southeast region. Dis na wetin dey yarn dey give our Presido Bola Ahmed Tinubu. But up till now, they never get any response from the President of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, wey be Bola Ahmed Tinubu. The man silence now, e come dey be as if those people wey dey call for Mazi Nnamdi Kanu release just dey waste their time. But however, my good people, the minority caucus of the House of Representatives, they still dey call for the release of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Now, for inside the statement wey Obi Agyeocha drop on top the matter, im dey call for immediate and strategic engagement with relevant stakeholders to advocate for a peaceful and political resolution to the matter. And according to him, he say e get significant implications for the socio-political landscape of we country, Nigeria. And he constantly yarn say dialogue and reconciliation e better pass prolonged abuse of legal processes and confrontation, and e dey remain the best option to deal with the matter. Now make I yarn you another legit info, my correct people. You know say the Central Bank of Nigeria, wey be CBN, they don increase the interest rate again, and e don make am more expensive for people and businesses to borrow money. Now, even as countrymen dey plan to do protests on how things don choke for inside we country, Nigeria, #end bad governance, the CBN governor, wey be Olayemi Kadoso, im come go dey announce on Tuesday after one meeting like that with Monetary Policy Committee, wey be MPC, and the meeting happen for inside Abuja. He say the interest rate, also known as the monetary policy rate, wey be MPR, they don raise am by 0.5% from 26.25% wey im dey before to 26.75%. Now, e come be as if the federal government dey hide updates. Maybe dem dey buy fuel for lesser price. Maybe dem dey no dey get any challenges for inside we country, Nigeria. Who knows? Maybe some politicians don loot money. I know say na dem dey for inside politics. When dem collect, they go share. They go give others shut up money, because I will see get share for inside. Maybe them they live la vida local, and make they no just send country people that matter. We be say, even as countrymen they plan to do protests on how things choke them rich, the CBN still they announce increments on top interest rates. Well, this na the informate where I say make I share give you, my good people. Anyhow the thing be you for body, you are free to drop it inside our comment section. You know, say now we be Anointed Lady TV, and now they give you the things and things when they happen for inside our country, Nigeria. So if you would like to receive legit news, make you subscribe to this channel and make you put on the notification bell, so that as they bring and they come, then you go first receive the updates and you go get them sharp. And they go bring another information for you, my good people. I beg, no go anywhere.